Kicking off our list is the Eibenstock EHF 1400 heating milling cutter, an absolute game changer for installing underfloor heating. This specialized power tool is expertly designed to precisely mill channels directly into drywall and dry screed systems. Thanks to its powerful motor and ergonomic design, you can maneuver it smoothly even in the tightest workspaces. The precision depth control ensures your heating channels are cut flawlessly, saving you precious time and material costs. Dust is kept to a bare minimum, as it integrates seamlessly with extraction vacuums to keep your environment remarkably clean. If you want to elevate your flooring projects and lay heating cables perfectly, this German-engineered tool is your ultimate weapon. Next up, say goodbye to back-breaking yard work with the completely revolutionary SeeSii gardening electric weed puller. Powered by advanced lithium-ion battery technology, this phenomenal tool allows you to effortlessly extract stubborn weeds while remaining comfortably standing. It features a brilliant 3-claw design that tightly grips the weed and pulls it completely out by the root. You will never have to bend over or kneel in the dirt again, drastically reducing the physical strain on your joints. The smooth eject retractable mechanism allows you to dispose of the pulled weeds instantly without ever getting your hands dirty. For anyone looking to maintain a pristine, weed-free garden with a fraction of the effort, this electric puller is essential. For those who need serious firewood processing power, the Forestmaster FM10 electric log splitter is an absolute beast. Equipped with a robust motor, it effortlessly delivers a staggering 5 tons of splitting force to tackle your toughest timber. What truly sets this machine apart is its patented duo cut blade technology that remarkably splits logs from both ends simultaneously. This ingenious dual-action system completely eliminates blade jamming and easily powers through stubborn, knotty hardwoods without breaking a sweat. A clever two-hand safety operation requires simultaneous use of a button and lever, ensuring your hands stay entirely clear. Stop wasting your valuable time swinging a heavy axe, and let this compact powerhouse transform your winter firewood preparations. For every rider who works on their bike, the Sealey SSPS brings next-level convenience. This single-sided Paddock stand is engineered for fast, stable lifting on one side, leaving the rear wheel fully accessible. With a solid steel frame and a slick red finish, it supports even the heaviest sport bikes. It's ideal for maintenance, cleaning, or just showing off your bike. The design includes precision ball bearings for smooth rotation, compatible with multiple adapters. It works on various makes and models. No more wrestling with two-legged stands, just align and lift. Built tough and reliable, it's a must-have for any garage. Whether you're a racer or weekend warrior, Sealey has your back. Get ready for quicker work and cleaner spins. Security meets mobility in the KNAACK Armored Transport, a heavy-duty rolling fortress for tools and gear. Designed with theft-resistant features, it boasts solid steel construction and a 3-point locking system. Built like a tank, yet easy to move with industrial casters, it's job site ready. The dual lock mechanism offers added protection in high-risk areas. It also features an ergonomic design, maximizing space without compromising on toughness. Internal compartments and adjustable trays make organization seamless. Whether indoors or outdoors, your equipment is safe and secure, ideal for contractors, electricians, and field technicians. It's not just a box, it's peace of mind on wheels. KNAACK ensures what's yours stays yours. Step into precision with the Fluke 1670 series, the all-in-one powerhouse for electrical testing. From loop impedance to insulation resistance, it handles it all with certified accuracy. It's perfect for professional electricians who need reliable data every time. With built-in memory and auto-test sequences, it saves both time and effort. The rugged design makes it job site tough and travel-ready. Its clear, backlit screen gives real-time diagnostics in any lighting. Ensure compliance with every installation thanks to Fluke's trusted performance. Multiple models cater to a variety of testing needs. It's compact, but packed with features. When quality matters, Fluke is the name to trust. Drive screw anchors like a pro with the Greenlee 868, an innovative expander tool built for reliability. It securely flares out pre-installed anchors in hollow walls and ceilings. Built from high-grade steel, it stands up to the pressure of repetitive tasks. Its one-handed operation makes overhead use a breeze, perfect for electricians, HVAC techs, and installers. Compact in size but powerful in function, it eliminates the guesswork and ensures a secure hold every time. No slipping, no shifting, just solid expansion where it counts. Ideal for fast-paced job sites and time-critical installations, Greenlee delivers a tool that just works every time. When it's time to seal and ship, the Mate HB3515 brings industrial strength to every box. This manual carton closer is built for warehouses, shipping rooms, and fast-paced packing. Designed for precision, it delivers consistent staple depth and hold. Its ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, even during all-day use. Lightweight but sturdy, the steel body can handle high-volume demands. It's compatible with HB series staples, ensuring a secure seal on every carton. Adjustable depth gives you control over every shot. Great for packaging factories and e-commerce hubs. Forget messy tape. This tool means business. Mate turns every close into a confident finish. Meet the beast of the backroads, the Badland 1.5-ton off-road jack from Harbor Freight. Built to handle rugged terrain, this jack is a must-have for any off-road enthusiast. Its oversized tires roll smoothly over dirt, sand, and gravel. The high-lift design gives plenty of clearance for lifted trucks and SUVs. Steel construction and a wide base ensure rock-solid stability. An extra-long handle gives added leverage for easy lifting. Whether you're stuck in a ditch or swapping tires, it's your go-to rescue tool. Designed with recovery in mind, it's a four-wheeler's best friend, durable, dependable, and ready for anything. Take it on your next adventure and be prepared. Quickly punch clean holes through metal studs with the Greenlee 710, a manual marvel in metalwork. Compact and ergonomic, it's built for professionals who work smarter, not harder. The tool delivers consistent punches without deforming the stud. Ideal for running electrical or plumbing lines through metal framing. Its spring return handle speeds up work while reducing fatigue. No electricity needed. Perfect for tight remote spaces. The punch and die are easily replaceable for long-term use. Built from hardened steel for maximum life. It's a job site classic for speed and precision. With Greenlee, every punch is perfect. Enter the future of metalwork with the X-Laser Lab X1 Pro, an ultra-versatile laser welding powerhouse. This machine can weld, cut, and clean with absolute precision across stainless steel, aluminum, brass, and more. Featuring an intuitive touchscreen and compact design, it's beginner-friendly yet pro-level. The high-frequency laser beam delivers pinpoint control with minimal distortion. Whether you're fabricating, repairing, or customizing, it handles every job with ease. It even includes intelligent cooling and dual safety sensors. Switch seamlessly between welding modes using quick-swap nozzles. The portability makes it great for mobile shops and tight workshops. Efficiency, control, and clean finishes all in one device. X-Laser Lab turns ordinary welders into pros overnight. Bend it right the first time with the Trick Tools AF3, a precision angle finder designed for metal shaping pros. It quickly measures inside, outside, and bend angles with razor accuracy. The laser-etched markings ensure lifelong readability even under greasy hands. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's lightweight yet durable, perfect for fabricators, body shops, and custom builders. It eliminates the guesswork from complicated bends, compact enough to fit in your pocket or clip onto your belt. Whether you're bending brake lines or sculpting panels, this tool brings consistency. Save time, reduce waste, and get your angles spot on. Trick Tools gives you accuracy in your back pocket. The Leister Vacuum Plate 100 LP revolutionizes how you bond waterproofing membranes and synthetic liners. Using powerful suction, it clamps material without damaging the surface, ensuring wrinkle-free results. Perfect for geomembrane welding and flat roofing systems. It's compatible with hot air hand tools for seamless bonding. Lightweight, durable, and easy to maneuver across any surface. The suction keeps your hands free to work accurately. Engineered in Switzerland, it guarantees industry-grade performance and quality. A must-have for waterproofing professionals and construction crews. Achieve smooth, secure welds every single time. Leister takes control of the surface so you can focus on precision. Say goodbye to loose upholstery, fencing, or cages. Mate's MTC560 Hog Ring gun locks it all in. Designed for industrial-grade performance, it rapidly secures hog rings in one quick motion. Great for automotive seats, wire cages, and netting. Its heavy-duty steel body guarantees long-lasting durability on demanding jobs. The comfortable rubber grip keeps fatigue at bay during extended use. Compatible with C-type rings for maximum versatility. Whether you're restoring a car or reinforcing mesh, this tool holds tight. Precise control ensures clean fastening without damage. Fast, reliable, and efficient with every squeeze. Mate gets the job done where it matters most. Tackle floodwater, debris-filled pits, and muddy trenches with the Einhell GEDP 7935 NALL Eco. This powerful pump handles water with solids up to 35 millimeters, making it ideal for construction and home rescue. It moves up to 20,000 liters per hour with eco-saving motor efficiency. The flat suction mode can drain water down to 1 millimeter, practically wiping surfaces dry. An integrated float switch allows for automatic on or off operation. Built with impact-resistant housing and a long power cable for tough job sites. It's a beast in draining cellars, basements, and garden ponds. Quick setup and quiet operation add to its appeal. Rugged, reliable, and eco-smart. Einhell pumps with power and precision. Slice through plastic, foam, cloth, and more with surgical accuracy using the NeoBlade Ultrasonic cutter. Its wireless design frees your hands while ultrasonic vibrations cut cleanly with minimal pressure. Lightweight and sleek, it's perfect for makers, designers, and hobbyists. The blade heats only at the tip, keeping everything around it safe. Built-in safety lock and intelligent sleep mode ensure peace of mind. Charges quickly and operates for hours on a single charge. Great for cosplay, prototyping, and industrial design. It's the scalpel of the future, powered by sound waves. Less mess, less effort, more wow. NeoBlade redefines how precision feels in your hands. Compact but mighty, the Tolson 1/4-inch sheet. Sander makes smooth work of any sanding job. Designed for precision and speed, it's ideal for wood, plastic, and metal surfaces. The ergonomic grip reduces hand strain during long sessions. A powerful motor delivers fast, even strokes with minimal vibration. The Easy Clip system allows fast paper changes. Built-in dust collection keeps your workspace cleaner. Whether you're finishing furniture or prepping a surface, it delivers professional-grade results. Lightweight, quiet, and dependable for daily use. Durable design means it'll be with you job after job. Tolson makes every stroke count. Tearing through stubborn flooring or glued-down materials? The Sealey Slater's Ripper is the tool you need. With its long handle and aggressive blade, it pries and rips like a beast, ideal for demolition, tile removal, and lifting decking. The steel construction resists bending even under serious pressure. Rubberized grips provide comfort and control during tough work. Its angled head adds leverage for deeper cuts. Whether you're renovating or clearing space, it's a go-to ripper. Compact enough for storage but powerful in action. Sealey brings brute strength to hand tools. Rip it out. Clear it fast. Sealey's got your back. Heat PVC conduit fast and uniformly with the Greenlee PVC blanket. This wraparound heating tool bends conduit smoothly without scorching or cracking. Just plug it in, wrap it, and wait a few minutes for perfect flexibility. It's compatible with multiple conduit sizes, making it versatile on any job. Designed for electricians who need precision in tight bends, the flexible fabric heats evenly and rolls up for easy transport. Built-in thermostat prevents overheating. It's safe, simple, and incredibly efficient. Cut down on heat guns and guesswork. Greenlee makes PVC bending a breeze every time. Laser precision hits the job site with the Makita XR projector, an advanced layout tool for pros. It projects full-scale building plans directly onto walls, floors, or ceilings. Say goodbye to manual measuring and chalk lines. Just upload your CAD drawing and watch it beam with accuracy. Setup is lightning fast with built-in auto-calibration. Perfect for drywallers, framers, and interior fit-out teams. The XR boosts productivity and eliminates human error. Compact and tripod-mountable for easy use on any job site. Battery-powered for cordless freedom. Bring digital plans to real life with stunning precision. Makita is redefining the layout game. Keep your workspace cleaner and your vacuum running longer with Milwaukee's Nexus Z099RO20. This dedicated debris separator captures sawdust, drywall dust, and job site mess before it hits your vacuum. Designed to work with most shop vacs, it extends filter life and suction performance. With heavy-duty wheels and a compact drum, It's easy to maneuver on site. The clear canister lets you monitor debris level at a glance. Quick-release latches make emptying hassle-free. Whether you're sanding, cutting, or grinding, it handles the mess. Built tough for construction pros and renovation crews. No clogs, less downtime, more productivity. Milwaukee keeps your job clean from start to finish. Roll into comfort with Ryobi's 18-volt 1 Plus lighted creeper jar seat. Where mobility meets visibility, it converts from a low creeper to a sitting stool in seconds. LED lights illuminate your workspace without cords or flashlights. Powered by the 1 Plus battery system, it fits right into your tool lineup. Smooth glide casters make movement seamless in tight garages. It's padded for comfort during long projects. Integrated tool trays keep sockets and bits within reach. Great for mechanics, DIYers, and anyone who works low to the ground. Portable, practical, and packed with convenience. Ryobi lights up your workflow, literally. Precision tracking hits a new level with the RevoPoint Trackit, a game-changing accessory for 3D scanning. It offers real-time optical tracking for high-accuracy scanning without markers. Compatible with RevoPoint scanners, it drastically reduces scan time. It uses infrared depth sensing and AI stabilization for seamless motion. Just plug and play via USB. No calibration nightmares. Ideal for capturing full-body scans, objects, or moving subjects. Great for engineering, animation, and rapid prototyping. Compact and travel-friendly for mobile creators. Speed, precision, and automation in one sleek unit. RevoPoint makes scanning smarter, faster, and cooler. Feel the force with the Gruz Tire Hammer, a tool built for blacksmiths and serious metal benders. This traditional-style hammer features a soft, balanced strike for shaping hot steel. Its heavy-duty fiberglass handle absorbs shock while giving maximum control, ideal for straightening, flattening, or forging custom curves. The rounded face and cross peen allow for versatile smithing techniques, great for horseshoeing, metal sculpture, or tool making. Its durability outlasts wooden hammers under extreme heat and force. Comfortable to swing and deadly accurate, Gruz revives the craftsmanship of old with modern toughness. Forge your next masterpiece the right way. Finally, we have the Uniweld Deluxe flaring tool, the absolute gold standard for HVAC technicians and serious plumbing professionals. This brilliantly engineered device is specifically designed to create flawless R410A and standard 45-degree flares on copper and aluminum tubing. Its built-in automatic tube stop height gauge completely eliminates all guesswork, guaranteeing a perfectly uniform flare each and every time. The innovative internal breakaway clutch automatically disengages once the flare is fully formed, preventing any risk of crushing your pipes. An included reversible ratchet wrench makes manual flaring an absolute breeze, even when you are working in incredibly cramped spaces. Featuring an eccentric off-center cone that smoothly rolls out a burnished surface, this Deluxe flaring kit ensures leak-proof connections. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.